Hello, my name's Devin, and I am the owner of Omnipresence. Maybe you've seen my videos, maybe you haven't, doesn't matter. I do understand that insurance companies, because I used to be a sales agent myself, for VSCs and home warranties, that, walking my dog's trying to walk me at least. Nobby, where are you going? Anyway, essentially, what my company does is they make you omnipresent. They're going to make it to where you have basically at least 10,000 emails going out a day, targeted leads. They're going to have it to where you're going to have thousands of videos every day across all social medias being posted with fresh content about your company and what you do, or however you want to do it, daily. And yes, I said thousands. Ask me how. And the beautiful thing about this, especially with you guys being in insurance and mostly having call centers, you're going to get basically what would be a screener, right? This is going to be an AI system that's going to answer the phone no matter what time of day, no matter what time of night. You're never going to miss another phone call again. They're going to answer the phone. They're going to ask the questions appropriately. And depending on if it's hours of operation, they'll send to the potential customer, to a sales rep. If no one's available, they'll get the information, and you'll have it for a setup for a call back tomorrow. They'll put you in the calendar. Either way, you're never going to miss another phone call again. These are the three things that are going to make you relatively omnipotent in the business world. Okay? That's what my company does. Now, a lot of times you guys pay a lot of money for leads. Sometimes you skeet out on the money for leads and you're reselling the same. You're rebuying stuff that's been sold already. I'm not here to sell you any leads. I'm here to make sure that you don't lose the money that you've already basically tried paying for. Okay? I'm here to make sure that you're able to convert those leads a hell of a lot easier. I'm here to make sure that you're able to reach more people. Okay? With that being said, I'm a Christian man, and what Christ did was he went from place to place and he preached the gospel, but he didn't ask for any money. All he asked was that people, after he performed the miracle, he asked that they didn't tell nobody, right? But the miracles that he performed were so vast and so great that they couldn't help but tell. I thought that was a great business model. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to perform my miracle by doing what I just said I'm capable of doing for your company without you paying me anything. All you'll pay for is the tools that I use, okay, which you would have done anyway. But you'll pay me for the tools that I use, which is pretty inexpensive. If you can't do that, honestly, then you don't need my business regardless. You got something else to figure out, because it's not going to cost you a lot to pay for the tools that I use, okay? But what that's going to allow me to do is work my miracle for you, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my number right up there, or depending on where you see this, maybe in the comments, who knows? But it'll be in both. I'll put it like that. And what I'll do is you contact me, and I will either send you a demo of me using the call software so you can see how it works. And if you want to try it for yourself, I'll send you the number, and you call the software and you talk to the AI agent yourself. See how it works. You ask it all the questions you want. After you're satisfied, you call me back, or we set up a time and we get things going. Okay? Let me work my miracle for you, and let's get started. Looking forward to working with you.